Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW M3 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood unlatches slightly. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety mechanism. Once you've pulled the lever, you can move to the front of your vehicle for the next step. Now that the primary latch is released, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This is located under the front edge of the hood, often near the center or slightly off to one side. Reach your hand into the gap and feel for a small lever or tab. Depending on your specific M3 model, you might push it to the side or pull it upwards. Once you operate this, the hood will fully release. With both latches disengaged, you can now gently lift the hood. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the hood prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or along the engine bay. Unclip the rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine bay. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back into its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, let the hood drop, allowing its weight to engage both latches securely. Give it a gentle push down in the center to ensure it's fully latched. For more great deals, including a link for those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.